Okay, who did it?
You talk to them gentlemen over there. They moving. They made the move and then they tripped the wire.
Oh,
You gotta talk to these gentlemen right here.
okay, but it's in the building, right?
Yeah, we gotta shut that down. That shit gotta be shut down. That's noise. It's quiet out here. Trust me. I said, y'all tripping that shit wire, man. I said, yeah, you tripping that wire, man.
We ain't tripping shit.
So, dude, I hear that noise. I live here. I live here 8 years. I ain't tripping. Huh? You better keep that in check, huh? I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
What happened, guys?
I don't know. They're moving. I don't know. They're playing games. They're knuckleheads. I don't know. I just turn it off.
Is it a reset upstairs? Is it one of these?
I'm not the guy. I mean, I told my manager. I tried to tell him, but he's an idiot. You know. The responsible parties are the ones that are outside.
Are you the one who called?
Yeah, I am. I am the guy. Yeah. Yeah, I mean that's crazy. That's insane, man. These guys are just I don't know.
We're gonna check it out.
All right. Do what you gotta do. That's right. All that BS. That's what a boat service gives us. That's cool, but I mean, it was flipping. I mean, when
Yeah,
you hear
yeah,
a piercing
it's not right.
sound, it's insane around here. You know what I'm saying? Right on.